So this is the exotic car area at Barrett Jackson. See, they got a couple of Ford GTs in the front, and then you have over here the Carrera GT 918 Spider. What is this? McLaren P1, and then you have the Senna over here. A lot of big money up here in the front. These will most likely go across the auction block on Saturday. Got a G63 here, Brabus 6x6. This thing's a monster. Now, where would you park this at? Definitely not on the underground parking garage. Got Rusty Wallace's 66 Chevelle LS. You know, that thing's top dollar right there. It's gonna go for big bucks. 62 Lincoln Custom. Look at the paint on this thing. Wow. Bad boy. They got it behind the rope so you can't get too close. You got blue suede shoes here. Ken Diggs Buick. This is gonna go for big bucks, you guys. No reserve, Barrett Jackson. Oh, this is a bad boy right here. It says Chastiser. Supercharger. 73 Challenger. Now, some of the sickest classic cars in the game are over here in this area. You got Bel Air. I mean, just ridiculous, man. T56 with the LT4 supercharged. Then you have GTO, same thing, supercharged LT4, convertible. It's just ridiculous, man. I mean, whole nother level of car here. And then over here you have just another ridiculous build. You got a 56 Nomad, ridiculous. It's a beautiful car. Man. 56 Cadillac right here, convertible. Man. You see the Rat Pack rolling in this. And this Corvette right here is killing the game. Ridiculous. This is 58. Eleanor, you guys. I never get tired of looking at this car. One day it's gonna be in my garage. It's on the bucket list. Man. It just looks fast parked. This is gonna bring some big dollars. I got it being, dude, it's gonna be probably close to $1 million. Then you have another fastback Shelby here, another Eleanor. Mustang. You know, I grew up around Mustangs, so I'm kind of partial to Fords, even though I have a Chevy too. All these are nice. I mean, my God, look at the paint on this one. Nasty, you guys. This one's got a supercharger on it, so you know it's about the business. Now, you want to talk about the ultimate split window. Look at this. Man, work of art. Beyond clean. And look at those seats in there. See, that's what makes a car too, is the seats. You got to have the right seats in there. And the stitching, not over the top, but very, very classy. Beautiful car, man. Split window.
Pumping that iron, one day you're gonna look like me.
We got a couple Chevelles over here, murdered out, but kind of hides the lines when they're murdered out like this. I mean, they're menacing. And you can't go wrong with a 70 Chevelle. Now look at this, you guys. This is a 69 Camaro Pro Charger, 1200 horsepower, 4L80E, 4-speed with paddle shifters. Straight monster. Now you pull up to any car show in this and you're killing the game. Beautiful car. And then you got a drop 67 next to it. Clean custom convertible. I had a 67 drop at one point. I wouldn't be able to get it for the price I got it back then. It's a clean Nova right here. Got an LT4 65 Nova.
One they made. That might be one.
LSX twin turbo. Oh man, it's a bad boy. Got another Chevelle over here. I'm telling you, man, they killing the game at this show. This auction, man, you come get some stuff that'll blow your mind. LSA, same motor they got in the, what is it, the ZL1 Camaro, 56 Chevy. This ain't your dad's truck right here. Nah, buddy. Check out this Corvette, you guys. This thing is beautiful. Now, it's not for everybody because it's been modified, but you know me, I'm a modified type guy. They threw that wing on the back, I'm sorry, spoiler, so it kind of gives it like a Batmanish look with some big boy wheels on it. But I'd rock it, man. I'd push this thing. I don't know if I could fit, but it's a beautiful car, man. Very unique. Don't forget to stop by the Big Herc916 store and pick you up a beanie, or maybe a sticker for your car, or a sticker for your laptop, or read one of the many books that I've authored. You know how we do it over here. Big Herc916. Hello, I'm Big Herc916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.